Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Increase English 2.0. Here, we make learning English fun and easy. Let's get started.
I put on the gloves. I put on the gloves.
I clean my house every day. I clean my house every day. She sweeps the floor in the morning. She sweeps the floor in the morning.
He mops the floor carefully. He mops the floor carefully. We clean the kitchen together. We clean the kitchen together. They wash the dishes after dinner. They wash the dishes after dinner. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
She cleans the table with a cloth. She cleans the table with a cloth. He takes out the trash daily. He takes out the trash daily. We dust the furniture every week. We dust the furniture every week. They clean the windows on Sunday. They clean the windows on Sunday. I wash my clothes on Saturday. I wash my clothes on Saturday. She folds the clothes neatly. She folds the clothes neatly.
He cleans the bathroom well. He cleans the bathroom well.
We use soap to clean the sink. We use soap to clean the sink.
They wipe the floor with a mop. They wipe the floor with a mop.
I clean my room before sleeping. I clean my room before sleeping. She organizes the cupboard. She organizes the cupboard. He cleans the fan once a month. He cleans the fan once a month. We wash the curtains sometimes. We wash the curtains sometimes. They clean the door with water. They clean the door with water. I pick up toys from the floor. I pick up toys from the floor.
She cleans the mirror every day. She cleans the mirror every day.
He washes the car on Sunday. He washes the car on Sunday. We clean the house together. We clean the house together. They remove dust from shelves. They remove dust from shelves.
I empty the dustbin daily. I empty the dustbin daily. She cleans the fridge every week. She cleans the fridge every week.
He washes the plates carefully. He washes the plates carefully.
We clean the floor with water. We clean the floor with water. They tidy up the living room. They tidy up the living room.
I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. She washes the cups and glasses. She washes the cups and glasses.
He cleans the sofa with a brush. He cleans the sofa with a brush.
We sweep the floor every morning. We sweep the floor every morning.
They clean the balcony on weekends. They clean the balcony on weekends. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. She wipes the kitchen counter. She wipes the kitchen counter. He cleans the walls sometimes. He cleans the walls sometimes. We clean the house before guests come. We clean the house before guests come. They wash the bathroom floor. They wash the bathroom floor.
I clean my shoes at home. I clean my shoes at home.
She keeps things in the right place. She keeps things in the right place.
He cleans the study table daily. He cleans the study table daily.
We wash the mats every week. We wash the mats every week.
They clean the stairs carefully. They clean the stairs carefully.
I help my mother clean the house. I help my mother clean the house.
She uses a broom to sweep. She uses a broom to sweep. He uses a mop to clean the floor. He uses a mop to clean the floor.
We enjoy cleaning together. We enjoy cleaning together.
They keep the house neat and clean. They keep the house neat and clean. Hello! Welcome to Increase English 2.0. Watch more videos right here. And don't forget to subscribe.